Hey guys, it's me, 123 Beyblade, and welcome back to another Metal Fight Beyblade Battle. This time we have a classic, which is Dark Wolf, Downforce 145, Flat Spike, and it's going up against Storm Pegasus, 105, Rubber Flat. So let's get this epic battle started. Round 1. Oh, big hit from Storm, and it knocks out. 1-0. Oh, what a planned attack. So it's 2-0. Ooh, here we go. Bam! Oh, big hits. Wolf is just barely hanging in there. Alright, let's see if Wolf will somehow get knocked out still. It's still possible. You never know. It's 2-1 now. Oh, big knockout from Pegasus. Scores 3-2-1, go shoot. Bam! Oh! Let's see if this will be the final round. Big hits, but will it be enough? Oh! So Storm Pegasus manages to win that battle just barely at the end there. I mean, it was way ahead anyway. It was gonna win. So Storm Pegasus is our winner. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I don't even know what that was. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Yeah!